Welcome to the Explorations of Me. Come on in, sit down, relax, and enjoy my process of this month's prompt. Hi everyone, it's Anne. I'm here to do the Explorations of Me for the month of March. And who is your hero and why is this month's prompt? Alright, so I'm going to get started and I'm going to tell you who my hero is and why, and what I've done, what I plan on doing for my page. I'll be right back because my dog Maya, you can hear her, she always seems to think that as soon as I turn on the camera that it's time to play. So I'll be right back. Alright, so who is my hero and why? The two main, I have several people in my life that were my heroes, but they've all passed away, they're all gone, long gone, So my present day hero is my hubby, my husband. He's done so much for me. As many of you know, I have fibromyalgia as well as other issues, and he has always been there for me, helping me as much as he can, and just overall, he's a really great guy. He would take the shirt, if he knew someone else needed the shirt on his back, he would literally take it off and give it to someone else. He's that kind of person. He's a very giving, has a big heart, is always there for others, and so, yeah. So he is my hero. He's my Superman. And I went on to, it's called faceandhole.com. And so basically what I did was I went ahead and I put his face in the hole in Superman. So there he is. So I'm going to create my background first and then I will adhere him on there. Okay, so enjoy my process as I speed through this section and I'll be back. Alright, so I went ahead and used some modeling paste and a star stencil, and it seems to be a little wet still, but that's okay because I'm going to go ahead, I'm using a fan brush, and I'm going to go ahead and splatter some gold metallic paint onto my page. Let's hope it... I took some silver and went around with the makeup sponge because I kind of want to create like an aura kind of like around him. So that's going to kind of glow around him. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue down my superhero and then I'm going to put a saying on it. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of my process. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I forgot to turn on my camera as I was outlining my superhero. right, so there you have it. Here is my Superman, my hero. And I hope that you enjoyed my take on this month's prompt for the Explorations of Me. Don't forget to check out the links down at the bottom to the other lovely artists who are participating in this art adventure. And thanks again for watching. I hope that you will join me next time. Bye! Toodles! Have a wonderful day!